All our appliances are made in partnership with both Whirlpool Corporation and Electrolux Group, and are designed to help you get the most out of life in the kitchen. Not only are they packed with smart functions, they're also built to stand up to everyday demands of life in your home, now and for years to come. Care has been taken with every detail to make sure they enhance your chosen kitchen look and perfectly match each other. Our ovens come with a wide range of functions and integrated accessories, like steam cooking, pastry function for cookies and pizza, meat thermometer, and of course forced air, which lets you cook different dishes at the same time. So you're sure to find the one that suits the way you cook. And they come in both modern and traditional styles, so you're guaranteed to find one you like. Microwaves are quick and energy efficient, and great for reheating and defrosting. We've got models that you can rely on completely for your cooking and baking needs. For a quick and healthy meal, you can use the included steam set to cook different types of vegetables, fish or seafood. You can even cook a sponge cake in 7 minutes and a crispy pie in 12, thanks to the included crisping plate. Microwave ovens are a great addition to any kitchen, giving you more cooking flexibility. For even more versatility, why not choose a combi microwave oven, which combines fan-forced convection with microwave technology to give you fantastic baking and cooking results at microwave speed. When it comes to hobs, our induction models are up to 50% faster and 40% more energy efficient. Using the flexible zones together or on their own, you can set up a versatile cooking area for pots and pans of different shapes or sizes. Induction hobs are easy to clean, as spills from foods or liquids will not burn onto the surface. Just wipe with a damp cloth or sponge. We also offer practical, easy-to-operate glass ceramic with adjustable cooking zones, and gas hobs that are fast and responsive. Our freestanding cookers offer a convenient way for you to get a quality cooktop and oven combined. The spacious cooktop area and large oven gives you the flexibility you need if you like to cook several dishes at once. They're made to fit perfectly between your cabinets, which makes planning your kitchen much easier. An extractor hood keeps the kitchen free of steam, grease and cooking smells, and is an important design element. We have wall-mounted, ceiling-mounted for kitchen islands, and built-in extractor hoods, so you're sure to get the look that suits your kitchen. IKEA fridges and freezers will help you keep your food fresh for longer. Choose between integrated models that blend seamlessly into your kitchen, or freestanding models, all made to help your grocery budget go further. Best of all, they're energy rated A+ to A++. A dishwasher actually uses less water and energy than traditional washing up, and it's more hygienic too. Create a uniform look by choosing a front with the same finish as your doors and drawers. Our dishwashers come with a tall interior, which means plenty of space for large loads and dishware. IKEA appliances are energy efficiency rated, which is not only good for your budget, it's good for the planet too.